They're all birds, all them dots. Oh, you see that? See all them birds? Holy cannoli! They're all flying away now. There was hundreds, billions, millions birds. You can see there's a couple more. That's only a little bit to what there was. Those are not bats. There's only, they look like bats, but they're birds. Birds. See that? See that? This is amazing. Amazing impact out there. Got a ginormous impact. See some clear version of that. Wet outside. Look at that bear though. Got some garbage cans. Got some birds though. Look at that, guys. So do Toba Frankie here. Just here. Jordan. Lead intro. Look at this. Hey, oh my gosh. OMG. Can't believe this. This is only just from this angle. I'm about to go show you guys from the other angle. Hold on. Hold it, guys. I'm still recording. I'm on second video. Okay, here's my
The
cat.
white gray one is Ashley, Carly's red leaf.
Yeah. So, you should tell her to come see this. It's an outrageous amount.
Jordan, didn't want this.
Really?
He's still there, but he's not done yet. There's even more birds than that.
There's billions than that. Bye guys, this is my intro. I never said that you go YouTube.
What are you making, a YouTube video? Why would you take a video of it?
I didn't have